How to change email on OnePlus account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. You will find your account at the top in the settings. Click on your name at the top, which will open this kind of page of OnePlus. Now click on your name at the top in here. After you click on your name, you'll find account details at the bottom. Click on it. After that, click on email and you'll find these two options. I'm simply clicking on email for verification method. Now code will be sent to your email. Simply type in the code and press on next. Now you can add your new email in here and press on next, and then your new email will be added. And this is how to change email on OnePlus account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.